lift my head, the sun is up, it's time to play. A brand new start to a brand new day. I brush my teeth up and down, spit and rinse without a frown. With water splashed upon my face, I start my day with style and grace. I jump and stretch, I bend and run, a little exercise is fun. Move my body, swing and sway, wake up strong to start the day. I wear my shirt and button tight, tie my shoes and look just right. All dressed up and feeling neat, I'm ready now from head to feet. I sit for breakfast, drink my juice, chew my toast and take a snooze. Yummy bites and then I say, I'm full and ready for the day. I grab my bag and say goodbye, off to school beneath the sky. I walk a ride, I feel so free, school is waiting just for me. I learn to count and write my name, I draw and spell and play a game. Teacher helps us every day, learning is a fun-filled way. It's time to play and laugh out loud, we run and jump, a happy crowd. We swing and slide and race around, till the school bell makes its sound. I eat my lunch, then take a break, a sandwich, fruit, and piece of cake. I sip my drink, then off I go, to learn a little more and grow. Back at home I take a nap, with Teddy near I close the gap. I shut tight and dreams begin, of clouds and castles deep within. I play outside, I run and shout, I ride my bike and jump about. With friends and fun the evening flies, till stars appear up in the skies. I do my homework, read a bit, write my name and never quit. I color pages neat and bright, and smile because I got it right. Dinner served, I sit and eat, tasty food and something sweet. We talk and laugh, the day winds down, and sleepy yawns begin to crown. I take my bath and splash around, soap and bubbles all around. Dry myself and wear my gown, yawn again and settle down. The lights go off, I'm tucked in tight, I whisper soft, good night, good night, good night. I hug my bear and start to dream of magic stars and jelly bean streams.